Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make portrait to landscape in Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go over here on top left corner and click on resize. Here, just click on custom size and under units select pixel px and under width box type 1920. Under height select 1080. Okay, now just click on copy and resize. Wait a minute. Click on open. Now as you can see, your design has been converted from portrait to landscape. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.